people cannot know that I have pink hair. Oh my god! Hey guys, I'm gonna be trying something more along the lines of a social experiment today. I recently just saw this video that this girl named Nikki posted about how she lived in a small town where people didn't really accept her for her bright blue hair that she had. So for one day, she went outside wearing a normal brown wig. She was recording people and how they responded to her. Then the next day, she went outside with her normal blue hair. She recorded herself and the way that people treated her, and she compared and contrasted the way people treated her with normal hair and with blue hair. So that's what I want to document today, how people treat me with regular brown hair compared to my bright pink hair. First step to putting a wig on is you need to lay your hair as flat as possible. So I'm having my mom braid my hair right now. I got this long wig, and all the details of this wig are gonna be in the description of this video if you wanna check out this wig. I'm just gonna throw my head into this thing now. Oh my god! Who am I? What is this? Oh no, honey, I look crazy.
I would never dye my hair pink. Ew.
Bitch, I got long ass hair again, bitch. So I found this beanie and I've been flat ironing my hair. I think my weave looks a little bit better now. I think this is as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna go get mic'd up and then let's go put this experiment to the test. We're at the drive-thru right now.
Give me 1 second, please.
Let me know where.
Can I get a medium passion fruit tea with light ice? Hello. Here you go. Thank you. Do you think I would look weird if I dyed my hair pink?
I don't think so.
No.
I think you could rock it.
You think I could rock it? Okay. Do you think normal hair is better or like colored hair?
I mean, I like your normal hair as it is right now.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
But come back with pink hair and we'll see.
Okay. I should go. I ripped it off. He said come back with pink hair, and I did. Thumbs up if you guys want to see that as my next video. He said that he liked my hair the way it was, but I think he would have liked it more if it was pink. I don't know, maybe this is going not the way I thought it was gonna go. I thought everybody liked me because my hair was pink. Do you think I would look weird if I colored my hair pink? My mom.
That's so cute. My one granddaughter was pink, blue, she puts all colors.
Oh wow, that's
and she's married
awesome.
with 2 babies.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Do you think I would look good if I had pink hair?
Yeah, not with
Yeah.
a red hat, but yeah.
Not with a red hat. Okay. All right. Excuse me. Do you think I should dye my hair pink?
It's pretty the way it is. You could try it though. Might be a different fad you want to do.
Do you think it'd be cool?
Yes.
How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
It's $2.95. Would you like a receipt?
No thanks. Do you think I should dye my hair pink? No?
You look good like that.
You, okay. What if I told you my hair is actually hot pink? Would you believe me? Huh?
I would doubt it, to be honest.
You would doubt it? Oh my god, I'm wearing a wig right now. I could rip it off so quick. I'm not going to though. Should have though. Now that we've gotten the reactions of people with my normal brown hair, let's get some reactions of people with my normal bright pink hair. Right now we are in Target. I don't have a wig on today. I'm all natural pink hair goodness. We're gonna walk around and try to get some people's reactions and see if they treat me different or if they treat me like a normal person. So let's go. Hi. You like my hair?
I love your hair.
Oh, thank you.
I wish I had the courage to do that.
Girl, you can do it.
I'm wearing all black. I really like your hair.
Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Do you think my hair looks cool? Yeah.
Cool.
Thank you. Do you guys think I have cool hair?
Yeah. That's a nice hair.
You like it?
I love bright colors. So
Yes,
yeah.
she had it red.
Yeah, I
Oh.
I just took the bright red.
How'd you get that out?
Oh, I still yeah. But I love that color. I love it.
Thank
yeah.
you. You go spy mode. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Yeah, it's different. Yeah. It's pretty.
I have a question. Do you think my hair looks cool?
I do. I actually really like it. I'm like a big fan of like hot pink and like hot like the neon green color. I really like it.
That's sick. Thank you. You too. This video, on the days that I wasn't wearing the wig and I was just natural pink hair, when the camera wasn't on, more people came up to me and complimented me on my hair. Like when I was in the grocery store, you guys didn't see it because my camera died, but when I was in the grocery store, this lady came up to me and she was like, oh my god, your hair makes me so happy. Like your hair makes me feel so happy. It's so bright. And on days when I was wearing the brown wig, nobody really came up to me. Nobody really bothered me. Nobody looked at me any type of way. I just kind of blended into everybody else. I don't think people treat me differently because I have pink hair. I just think because I have pink hair, more people compliment me. Do I think people treat me worse with natural hair versus colored hair? No. Do I think people treat me worse when I have pink hair versus colored hair? No. I just think everybody likes what they like, and when you have different colored hair, more people are willing to say, hey, I like your different colored hair, because most people don't have that.